Akwaba kese bio de ba Adom TV so ye femi writer amenyo Rafael GL Centro Campesta creative wi asene na present ni agodie mere na sui na ye de agodie nsem ebre na no paya kai national so me say betpa ene techre betting companies ne doson de amansaje atum betpa sanso na Franco Trading Enterprise enso ewo ye chipa ban Nokia phones, Samsung iPhones, smart TVs and air condition dia Franco die ono moto nkwanta agese kama pa na yen hyase mo nkomo de ade tie nie oni se Euro 2024 no se ye wura bunu mu pa quarter finals na ene games mienu betodwa de tene se uram ko akira Germany ene host tournament no wo ye host nation ene wo ne Spain ene ebo game no no 9 brem kankane powie game pa wo wie ni sa pa Portugal ene France enso bono nso a wo ede beka 3 so Ike Gundogan ene ye captain for Germany national team no ene ode tudwa se dabi ahotoso no ho confidence no ho pa de baby ene so mo kyerem bobere na afin so omo ne Spain for ewiewie for captain Danny Cavaya enso de nkomo kakra ba wa kire se nyade omo suro Germany for ne esuro omo kyena ene ombe omo honwea omo be kyerem bosome a yedua mu prekese pa tugafo omo tenene omo head coach Roberto Martinez ono so after some rantie mienu akasa wie no se panyin dwawi ane nsu asa ti ono so de kakrata komo ochena games mienu a no so beba so quarter finals ni mu England and Switzerland game no 4 p.m. na afin so Turkey and Netherlands and so bebo no 7 p.m. anwumre ti hye so ma me pa yantinsim ofie ne ani nkomo de a the Black Stars of Ghana woni mo say qualification games for the 2025 AFCON no bemben September mu ene ye keke ball na Ghana ya drawing group F na group F no ye ne aman bi ti se Sudan ye se ho na Kwesi Apia wo no ye former coach na afin so si akan ma kotoko kakra Angola na afin so Niger Ghana group ni mo group F ho be den papa na other groups no say na hye na tie on your screen group A Tunisia, Madagascar, Comoros and afin so Gambia. Group B Morocco, Gabon, Central African Republic, Lesotho. Group C Egypt, Cape Verde and Mauritania, Botswana. Group D Nigeria, Benin, Libya, Rwanda. Group E and so Algeria, Equatorial Guinea, Togo, Liberia. Group F and Ghana, Angola, Sudan and afin so Niger. And so Group G and so Cote d'Ivoire, Zambia, Sierra Leone, Chad and Group H, DR Congo, Guinea, Tanzania and Ethiopia. Group I, Mali, Mozambique, Guinea-Bissau and afin so Eswatini. Group J, Cameroon, Namibia, Kenya and afin so Zimbabwe. Group K, South Africa, Uganda, Congo and afin so South Sudan. Group L, Senegal, Burkina Faso, Malawi and afin so Burundi and a complete group and no 2025 Africa Cup of Nations qualification games bebo e dey akọ the main tournament na honsem and no Ghana kai national so ma me BOC group F ye ne oman bit say eye Angola and afin so Sudan and ne omomaka Niger ene be hia asia kan ho September ne be start qualifiers no na bibiara enso atimi ada dimpa na legendary boxer Azuma Nelson enso alanche an inspiring a new initiative by dia wode ato so zoom clinic Azuma Nelson de ye nanim so wadi na kwetene pa dia Ghana initiative no me pa twom lanche no enra da koye pa na omo siki se be combine mentorship boxing training and afin so community engagement na afin so apeja na I empower young people na afin so bibia akoye pa Ghana ha bra mo lanche ade no de course kakra ni
at our children's today, the life, the respect, the humbleness, the hungry and things that they're supposed to do. You know, they couldn't. I can't see things like that. You know, so I was sitting down and planning how to, because this is Ghana, this is our country, this is our children. You know, what can we do to them to stand firm, and then they can take over when we are not there. You know, so this is why I said no. Let me open these Zoom clinics so that I can go and talk to them, and tell them that, I mean, this world, nothing comes easy, and respect takes you far, so you have to learn, you have to, it's not only about boxing, it's about everything, so that is why I decided to.
Na sports minister Mustafa Yusuf eno den komo kakra ba se sai initiative we de kama pai mo de so e de obi bia na oje ne support ema Azuma Nelson.
Opportunity to young people across Ghana, because it's not only in Accra. They are taking this program to Tamale, Takoradi, Kumasi, and Accra, and it will even expand to other regions going forward. The whole idea is for us to give opportunity to young people to also be nurtured and identify them, develop them to become great champions of the same achievement that he has achieved for our country. The presence here tells you that the government is so committed and making sure that whatever support that we have to put on the table to make this initiative a success, government will make sure that we put in a financial support to support this project. So and I'll take opportunity to also thank GCB Bank PLC and other partners for coming on board, because these are some of the things we have to. Anytime we see corporate support behind government and corporate Ghana working together, the success is enormous.
Mustafa Yusuf any and Canana pay bet pa can Hosian fa good winsem Emrel and I'm fin so Franco Trading Enterprise a Honor a Nokia, Samsung, iPhones, smart TVs and I'm fin so tabletop fridges, Franco air conditioning or Montana so CCTV cameras, baby na amodia bigum dosopu unyabia ebeboa papa discount up to best 40% e makachi akọ oto mu ne bia ekoyi pa menko pick number bia e internet na so say bia Franco phone number me dey ma we bia obia watwere go na afi wa frɛ Franco wono ma de dwa pa number ne 024 642 2338 anase 055 593 9311 Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa fie and afin so appliances akabie Franco and obenya e free asada kese en koma Sergio Manuchu Bernard Padibo twe from writer amenya Rafael DL Centro campesta creative we asina present any happen at chirema besia yinkonya.